Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Shelly. Today we are cleaning my guest bathroom. It's been a while since I've done a deep clean, to be honest, so I'm just going to jump right in today. If you're new here, please subscribe and join me in this cleaning motivation community. So I started with the Method antibacterial bathroom spray and I let that soak for 10 minutes so that it would I sprayed the countertops and I let it soak so that it would disinfect. And then I'm taking my Clorox wand to clean the toilet. And I will also be cleaning the bath in a kid-friendly way that will help disinfect everything. So stay tuned for that. Tell me, what are you doing this weekend? I wanted to have a nice chill weekend. I've been go all weekend. So let me know what you guys are doing. Summertime is so fun, but I feel like it can be just crazy because you only have a few months to get everything fun in, you know. So I'm trying to manage that currently, but I'm using the Clorox wipes for the toilet at the bottom. I like to use it kind of to mop around the toilet because my Swiffer doesn't really get in there very well. And it just ensures that it's nice and disinfected. And I do go through quite a lot of wipes when I'm getting the toilet because it's just, I want to make sure it gets as clean as possible. Okay, so now on to the bathtub, and we don't ever shower in here, so I'm really just focusing on the tub mostly, but I'm going to just take all of his toys out. We did get this fun new toy on Amazon that I'll link below. He loves it. I can't get him out of the bath anymore, and he is so excited every time and begs to get in the bath. But I'm using 7th generation's dish soap and then a splash of vinegar. I'm filling it up with super hot water. While that's filling up, I'm going to go back to the countertops, wipe everything down just with a regular old wash rag, and just wiping everything down. The instructions say if you want to just clean and not disinfect, then just spray it and wipe it immediately. If you want to disinfect, let it sit after you spray everything thoroughly. Let it sit and then go back and wipe it out about 10 minutes later, and it should have everything disinfected. And it honestly wiped up really well. It wasn't super streaky. I was pretty impressed with it. I normally just use the Clorox wipes, but I liked that method. I wasn't the biggest fan of the spearmint scent, to be honest. I'll probably explore their other scents with the antibacterial because I did like the way it performed. And I was kind of stupid and put my hand in the burning hot water that I just had filling up. So I decided to actually let it sit longer for it to cool down because I could not put my hand in there. It was so freaking hot. But I'm just going to kind of wipe around the perimeters on a little bit of the tile, the faucet, the nozzle. And then now I'm just going to put everything back. And I really want to switch up the decor in here. Everything's kind of just there. I did recently put this basket with the towels, the hand towels in there. I do like having that. I decided to do that when I did my linen closet clean with me. You can check that out below as well. That was one of my favorite videos to film. And I don't really have a place for my essential oils. I need to get a shelf to put up that looks nice and clean, but we'll get there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep, and then we will mop. So I bought the coconut Clorox Swiffer wipes, and oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells like pina colada. It doesn't smell like cleaner whatsoever, but I know that Clorox does the job. Figured these would be great in our bathrooms, not so much in the living room and kitchen, just because I don't want all the chemicals on my son's feet and hands, and he's always putting things in his mouth. But I figure in the bathroom, I want everything as disinfected as possible. He's not in there very often, so and it smelled so good. It made the house smell so amazing. Definitely pick that up. I believe you can find it just about anywhere. So, but they do sell out quickly. I've been looking for the coconut flavor or scent of Clorox everywhere, but they seem to get taken very quickly, and I see why, because it's delicious. Now I'm just gonna go back in with a sponge and just try and wipe everything, get all the soap scum. It didn't do the best job, but I just wanted to keep it as natural as possible. It doesn't get that dirty, but the tub ring I have such a hard time with. And I've actually found that just a washcloth and the baby soap honestly gets the soap scum really well. It did better than the dish soap, which I was surprised. But it really isn't that bad. So I'm not too worried about it, and I'm just gonna rinse it out. And that is it for the bathtub. And that is it, you guys, for this bathroom deep clean with me. I hope you enjoyed and it gave you motivation to tackle your bathroom. I know it can be put on the back burner a lot of times. It's kind of a tough task, but before you go, make sure you subscribe for weekly cleaning motivation. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and feel free to share with your friends as well on Instagram, Twitter, wherever. I would love to have your friends join us in this community.